Hey primates, what's up? So we are playing with ferrofluid from Concept Zero. This stuff is so cool. I don't know if you guys have played with this or not. It's liquid metal. It's like the movies came to life. It's like CGI in a bottle. And it comes with a magnet. They're all handmade. It's blowing my mind right now. So we were playing with it. We were like, this is pretty cool. But what if we had a stronger magnet? So we took it over to hard drive, grabbed the hard drive magnet, because that's pretty strong. And it works pretty good. And we were like, but we need to get even more serious with our magnet. So we got a super magnet. Magnet battle. Use code 13Pharaoh. You'll see the link in the description to get 13% off when you order over $50. And check these guys out because they support us and they're really cool. I'm just going to stare at this for a while. What's up, guys? Today we are addressing the wheels on this car. I've got a couple different sets of wheels, but we're going to be doing summer wheels today. The wheels, as you can see, they look okay. But they've got some dents and scratches, and just the aluminum sort of like clear coat is kind of peeling on them and stuff. And one of the things I've always wanted on this car, I think it'll look really good, is a set of black wheels. So what we're going to be doing is kind of giving them a quick little repair and then kind of going for a gloss black look. And what we're gonna do first is kind of look for any curb rash. So I'm not gonna go crazy on these, but you can see here there's some curb rash on it. And what I got is an air Dremel with just a sanding stone on here. What I'm gonna go through is just gonna smooth those over a little bit and get sort of the high spots off of them. Okay, so those are all sanded up now. For the next step here, I'm just gonna pop out this center cap. Oh, I don't wanna break it. I do wanna pop it out. Now we'll wipe down the wheel and get it ready for paint. So I've just got a prepared surface for painting. It's basically like a degreaser. It's nothing special. Okay, so now I got the wheel prepped, wiped it down with a microfiber cloth, and now I gotta basically protect the tire from the paint. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this. I've got some old business cards that are printed wrong with the wrong phone number. I'm gonna throw some of those on, a couple of nice Octane monkey ones for the sake of the video, and then whatever is left over as far as space, I got some thick tape here that's like 5 inches thick. I'm just gonna wrap that around. You got newspaper, whatever. Stop it so the paint doesn't get it. There's nothing super special going on. And finally, the best part, painting. So I've got some interior exterior rust coat paint. It's basically a high gloss black. It's good for metal. It's got like a base agent in it. They don't need a primer. And it's a de-ruster, which isn't really that big of a factor on aluminum rims, but still good. So the first coat doesn't have to be as thick. Should actually put it on a little bit lighter. As you can see, there's a little bit of splatter and spray, but overall it looks pretty good. That one dry for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna hit it up with another coat. I think I'll probably end up doing 3 coats on these, but we'll see here as we go. I'd like to point this out because this is really interesting too. That is where the wheel is sitting. The carpet that was not painted carpet has just like a nice kind of dark shade to it. So if you're looking to change up the carpet in your house, there you go. Pretty easy. Get that nice smoked look. All the wheels are sprayed, as you can see. Got them drying on the drying rack. The last one is right here. Just finished spraying it. I'm gonna let these dry and then I'm gonna put them on the car. We'll see what they like. We'll take a picture before and we'll take a picture of the after, and we'll see the difference. I'm pretty excited about this. And I got some special helpers. We're gonna be supervising. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
So we'll see how it goes. All right, let's do some jacking.
What?
You want to put this on? And there's this.
In the middle.
In the middle. You gotta put it on straight.
That'll just be normal tire, right? That'll just be a normal tire block. This would be a Bmw tire. Got it.
You got it. All right, good job. There it is. Still hard to see. The light keeps going down. We can't get a good view of it, but it does look much, much better. The wheels look really good. Good job, Kai. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.